If you're struggling to run your manufacturing business with an outdated legacy system, or are currently managing your operations with multiple disconnected software packages and spreadsheets, it may be a good time to implement a fully integrated ERP system that can support all your unique business needs in one platform. Our team of experts at Opus Global Data Solutions understands that manufacturing managers and supervisors operate at their best when they have real-time views into crucial metrics such as production capacity, job costing and variances, and work order status, among others. This is why we work collaboratively with our clients to leverage the native reporting tools of modern platforms to provide the important data required to make the decisions necessary for ensuring orders are fulfilled on time and on budget. In a system that provides fully integrated modules for your bills of material and production orders, as well as estimating and product configuration capabilities if needed, you will be able to manage your manufacturing operations within the same platform that also supports your purchasing, inventory, and financials. With seamless workflows tying all these modules together, there will be no need for duplicate data entry. One of the greatest benefits of a modern platform is that you can spend less time compiling your figures and more time analyzing your data. Here we have an example of a production manager's dashboard that has been built to provide live data on production order status, actionable items such as orders that need to be reviewed, as well as labor and material variances. These widgets can include conditional formatting to maximize visibility by gaining your attention, such as turning red when there are more than 10 late production orders. You get to choose the format from a variety of options and then specify the data you wish to display, as well as any applicable filters. Unlike some reporting tools, these widgets offer drill-down capability, making it easy for you to identify an area that needs attention and take further action. As an example, let's drill into our planned orders. From here I can filter, sort, and review the order details as I work on scheduling. We know that getting a more accurate view of job costs is one of the main drivers for manufacturers who are exploring new platforms. Since purchasing and order fulfillment are managed in the same system, you will be able to identify the true costs of production and support an accurate profitability analysis. With out-of-the-box reports that can be used as is, or further configured, there is no limit to creating the reporting that is necessary for informed decision-making. If you would like to discuss how we can support your operations goals with real-time data inside a fully integrated ERP, please contact us by calling our team or visiting us online.